Put this on and watch the transformation. People notice, conversations start, phones come out, friendships and memories are created everywhere you go. Introducing the world's first app-controlled, sound reactive, Syncable, the Light Bucket Hat 2.0. Colors that move with the music and sing with your friends. You would expect a huge announcement, a grand stage welcoming the light to the world with fireworks and confetti. But instead, it's just me, my Mac on the desk, next to the kitchen, with my wife and my son helping. That's the dream team. I know it might not sound like much, but what we've got for you is something the world hasn't seen yet. So buckle up, open your eyes, and enjoy this gift. Here is why this matters. It's 2026 and we still wear daytime clothes at night. And it makes no sense. Just think about it. Night is the opposite of day. In the dark, colors fade, textures disappear, and people, well, people become invisible. So, we created a new category in fashion. Introducing the light. Introducing the light. Nightlife fashion. Switch between daytime mode to a nighttime mode with a single tap. Enjoy your nightlife, wow moments that demand attention. This isn't about clothing. It's about presence, confidence, and connection. I've been connecting our customers through world's first fiber optic pieces for over a decade now. Hoodies, bombers, hoods, gloves. This hat is the next evolution. We built what we wish existed, because we live this lifestyle and demand innovative gear that actually works. So we bought 3 competitors' light-up bucket hats and tested them side by side with the Light Bucket Hat 1.0. Every single one was made of low-density fiber optic fabric with limited brightness. Less fibers, lower the brightness. And every single one had low capacity built-in battery that died within 2 hours, after which the head was practically useless. Ours, high-density fiber optic fabric that shines significantly brighter. Remember, more fibers, more brightness. The battery that lasted 2 times longer and is removable, rechargeable, and easily swappable within 8 seconds. So you can enjoy the light without time limitation. The Light Bucket Hat 1.0 is already the best on the market. But that's not enough for us. We wanted more. The Light Bucket Hat 2.0.
Join the pre-launch list now
And secure exclusive early backer pricing. More than 50% below retail. Be among the first
to experience the light.
We believe everyone deserves to be seen.